it's really interesting. Right now, quality assurance is really, at least in the tech space, is really kind of thought of as an afterthought quite often. It's like a nice to have that people will get to when they have the budget, or it's the last step before release, but quality isn't integrated throughout the software development lifecycle like it should be. Um, and so many people actually don't know about quality at all. I can't tell you the number of founders who don't know what quality assurance is. They or their product folks are doing all their testing, but they're not trained professionals. It's kind of funny to talk about, but really communication and relationship-based work is really one of the big differentiators. We also talk about, in this world of AI and automation, there's so much push to just have all automation, and manual software testing isn't necessary anymore. And one of the things that we talk a lot about is the importance of having that manual piece, so they can be that bridge in communication between developers and between product, to ask about, forward thinking about those weird use cases that, quite often we're going to design a product in the way it should work, and then our users, use it in like 47 different ways.
Mhm.
Automation is a really great piece for this as well. What we focus on is that manual piece, and helping ensure that, you as a user, let's say your user is checking in people for primary voting, right? And they're maybe 80 years old and they're a volunteer and they're in a Wi-Fi hotspot, that we're helping bring that experience to light in, early on in the development process, to make sure that all those scenarios are thought about. So if they're frustrated and they're mashing that check-in button 7 times, what's going to happen?
Mhm.
So manual software testing is so much more than just checking to make sure that the acceptance criteria, the things that we say need to happen, but also
Right.
it happens in a way that a user would seamlessly use it.